Hey guys, Justin here from Lauxes Grates. Just want to show you a couple of designs we have of tile inserts. We've got the slimline tile insert, which comes in midnight and silver, and we have the TIP, which is tile insert plus. Tile insert plus was 35mm high and will take up to 18mm tile. The slimline will take up to an 11mm. I'll just show you how to silicone a tile in there now. Got my piece here. Slide the top in there. Now just using a neutral cure silicone. Any silicone will do, just as long as it's neutral cure. Do a nice even spread. Now my tile's just a little bit short here, but obviously if you're putting it in, you'll have a full piece. Slide that in there. Now I just use a straight edge. You can use anything you want. I'm using an offcut here, but you can use a bit of timber or whatever you have on hand. And just push firmly down so it finishes nice and flush. Just check that that's finished flush. And perfect. Ready to install.